Welcome to AY's Maths channel. In this video, I will be solving question number 6 from paper January 2021 Pearson Edexcel Pure Mathematics P1. Sketch the curve with the equation y equals to minus k over x. So in the question, they have asked us to sketch the curve of a negative reciprocal graph. So first of all, we should know the how is the reciprocal graph looks like. So if I draw y equals to 1 over x, this is a reciprocal function. Let me draw a line here. Okay, so the curve we draw in here, first quadrant and in the third quadrant. The reason for the third quadrant, because if x is positive, y is positive. If x is negative, so if x is negative, so then y is negative. Okay, so that graph I can draw. Give me a minute. Yeah. Okay, let's try now. Okay, this is a reciprocal graph, but in a question I have been asked to sketch the negative reciprocal graph. So negative reciprocal graph lies in the second and in the fourth quadrant. Okay, so a part is, let's try it here. So y equals to negative k over x, where k is greater than 0. It means k is positive. So I can draw a curve here in the second quadrant. And in the third quadrant, in the fourth quadrant. Okay, so in this case, I have y equals to 0, the asymptote, and here x equals to 0. The vertical and horizontal asymptote both are equal to 0. Okay, so this is x-axis and here it is y-axis. Okay, then in the B part, it says that y equals to minus k over x plus k. Okay, where k is greater than 0 and x is not equal to 0. So in the B part, it's plus k, so there is an outside change. Outside change means we have a vertical shift here. It means my graph is shifted above. Because k is greater than 0, so it means that my graph is shifted above. Okay, so let's sketch it again. And here this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Because the graph is shifted above, there is a vertical shift, so it means that my I have an asymptote at y equals to x, y equals to k. So there is an let's say this. Let me rewrite. This is not. Let me write down again. This is k. So let's say this is k, and I draw here a horizontal asymptote at y equals to k. Okay. So now I'm gonna draw a line. I'm gonna draw a curve along my horizontal asymptote. Okay. So I need a space here. So this is y equals to k. So because this is a negative reciprocal graph, so the curve will be in the second and fourth quadrant. So the second quadrant, the curve goes along x-axis, along a horizontal asymptote, and here is the curve. Okay, something similar to it. Then it says that state the coordinate of the point of intersection with the x-axis and in terms of k, the equation of the horizontal asymptote. Horizontal asymptote I already have written here. Y equals to k is the horizontal asymptote. So I need to write down the point of intersection here. Okay, so for that, to get to know what is a point of intersection, the equation is negative k over x plus k. Because I'm finding the x-intercept, so in this case y will be 0. So if y is 0 minus k over x plus k, I can write down as k over x equals to k, and uh, k over k equals to x, and x equals to 1. Okay, it means this point is 1 where x is intersecting, where the curve is intersecting to x-axis. Okay, this is y-axis. So I'm just labeling it. That's it for C part. Sorry, B part. And now let's move on to the C part. Find the range of possible values of k for which the curve with the equation y equals to minus k over x plus k. The equation is same as it was written above. Does not intersect the line with equation y equals to 3x plus 4. Okay, so they said that the line does not intersect the curve. Okay, so first let's equate it, and then because it does not intersect, so it means that the discriminant there is b squared minus 4ac is less than 0 because the curve does not intersect. Okay, so let's start solving question C. The equation of a line is y equals to 3x plus 4, and equation of a curve is y equals to minus k over x plus k. Let's equate both the equations. So this would be 3x plus 4 equals to minus k over x plus k. Cross multiply. 3x I cannot multiply first. Okay. What I can do first, I can take LCM. Then I can get rid of a denominator. Minus k plus kx over x. Never make this mistake to move x here, because you cannot take x to the other side unless you have a common denominator. Okay, so now 3x plus 4, take x here now, so let's multiply x with 3x plus 4 equals to minus k plus kx, so 3x squared plus 4x and plus k minus kx equals to 0. 3x squared plus collect like terms, so this is x, this is x, so x can be taken common, so 4 minus k and plus k equals to 0. Alright, so as I said in the beginning, because the line is not touching to the curve, so the discriminant there will be less than 0. So a here in this equation is 3, b is 4 minus k, and c is k. Okay, let's do it here. B squared is 4 minus k whole squared, and negative 4, a is 3, c is k, and this is less than 0. Let's first find the critical values, or you can keep it here equal less than 0, same thing. Let's first find the critical values. Expand bracket, so this would be 16 plus k squared minus 8k, negative 12k, and k squared minus, let's find the critical value, put it equal to 0. 8k minus 12k is negative 20k, plus 16 equals to 0. So can I factorize it? I have product is 16. 4 4s are 1, 8 times 2, no. If I take 8 and 2, no. And 4 and 4, no. 1 and 16, no. So factorization is not working here. Okay, if I use here quadratic formula, let's use the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is minus b plus minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So negative b is negative 20, so negative 20 will be positive 20 plus minus 20 squared minus 4 into 1 into 16. So this is 2 times 1. So this is k because we are solving for k. So k equals to 20 plus minus. So 20 squared minus 16 times 4. .336, and square root of 336 is 4 root 21 over 2. I can take 2 common. So if I take 2 common, so 2 into 10 plus 2, 4 divided by 2 is 2 root 21 over 2. This is cancelled. So I have two values of k, 10 plus minus 2 root 21. Okay, this is the critical value for k, but I know that this is less than 0. Okay, this is less than 0 because of discriminant, because the line doesn't touch to the curve. That's why. All right, so this is a parabola. If I draw roughly a curve to understand how do I arrange the possible values for k. So a parabola lies between 10 plus minus 2 root 2. So I have two values for k here. One is positive and one is negative. So 10 plus 2 root 21 is 19.2. And if I subtract it, that is 0.8. Okay, so both are positive, 0.83. So my curve will be something, I can draw a curve somewhere, let's say roughly draw a curve something like that. Okay, so because it is less than, so it means below the x-axis is my region, and I can write down the value, the range of k as k is less than 19.2 or greater than and greater than 0.83, or I can write down k is less than 10 plus 2 root 21 and greater than 10 minus 2 root 21. This is question number 6 from paper January 2021. Pearson Edexcel Pure Mathematics P1. I hope you found this solution helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to AYS Maths channel for more exam tips and maths tutorials. You can find the videos for the remaining questions from this paper in a playlist. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.